Now Mr. Ahmad discuss about number because number is very important in English language.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mr. Ahmad. I read in class 3. My school name is Oxford International English Medium School. Hello my dear friends, I hope you are fine. With the grace of Almighty Allah, welcome to you, congratulations to you, what wonderful you. I know your intelligent, talent, smart, handsome, brilliant and wonderful student. So please listen to me. I want to discuss about number. Number means the count of a noun and pronoun. There are two kinds. Number on singular number indicate only one thing. For example, book, boy, girl, etc. Number two, plural number indicate more than one thing. For example, books, boys, pens, etc. There are some rules to change from singular to plural. For that, carefully study about number. For example, singular number book and plural number books. Singular number boy and plural number boys. Singular number pen and plural number pen.